Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous lecture we had learned how to draw front elevation. In this lecture we will talk about sliding doors and folding doors. First, we will start with the sliding doors. So, what does it mean by sliding doors? Sliding doors, they do not swing open, but rather slide into the wall when opened. At the time of shutter of doors opens, normally it requires space to open. In some of the cases, when space is not available to open the shutter, then sliding doors are more preferred. In such door, very less space is required to open the shutter due to sliding. Sliding doors consist of runners, guide rails, shutter, frame, channel track, and brackets. The door shutter slides on the sides with the help of guide rails and runners. At the bottom of the shutter, a channel track is provided so as to slide the shutter properly. Sliding doors can be placed in two ways. First, on existing wall by providing a channel track having same width of the door opening. Second, inside the wall by providing a cut or void inside the wall having same width of the door opening. Second, folding doors. So, what does it mean by folding doors? A folding door is a type of door which opens by folding back in section. They are usually found indoors. Folding doors may also known as accordion door or accordion partition. Nowadays, bifolding doors are one among the most innovative developments. The folding doors are the best option for a closet usually, but can also be used for other areas of the house, the exit to the patio, or bathroom door. The greatest benefit of this is used in places where there is a little space to put doors traditions. Enough talking, let's get started, but before that I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. As we can see here, bathroom door won't open fully due to WC position. Door will bang with WC whenever it will open. Before we start talking about the solution, I want you to remember one thing. The first size consideration to make when designing a bathroom is the entry and amount of clear space required. The doorway opening to the bathroom is 32 inches or 34 inches being the recommendation. As you enter the bathroom, the door needs to be able to swing its width into the room without hitting the vanity or toilet. This means that if the door width is 32 inches, you must have a passage of 32 inches wide and 32 inches long of clear space leading into the bathroom. Once inside the bathroom, you will need a minimum of 21 inches of space in front of the toilet, sink, tub, and 24 inches of clear space in front of a shower. This is the standard rule. You should always remember it before you start drawing the plan. However, sometimes you may have a small area to draw a home plan in which you need to provide bedrooms, kitchens, living room, balcony, and bathroom. You may end up providing a tight bathroom, just like in our case, so the ideal solution for such a case is to provide a sliding door or folding door. First, we will talk about sliding doors. They do not swing open, but rather slide into the wall when opened. Sliding doors allow you to save floor space in the bathroom, making more space for other functional features. In short, the sliding door is an ideal solution for a tight bathroom where the wall space simply is not there to accommodate a full swinging door. In sliding doors, we need to provide a channel track or cut into the wall. And naturally, the channel track or cut into the wall should be wide as the door is. It should fit the whole door. To understand what I just said, let's create a sliding door. First, we will try sliding door with channel track. Create the door. Type REC, enter, left click, now right click, select dimensions, and give it a distance 2 feet 6 inches. It's the door opening, enter, now give the width 1.2 inches, enter. Now specify other corner point, left click. So this is our sliding door. We will place it here. Now we need to create the channel track. The channel track will have the same width of the door, so it will be of 2 feet 6 inches, so that the whole door will fit in. In order to create the channel track, we will mirror this door. So this is our sliding door and this is our channel track. Now we need to change the layer to door layer. I'll press escape, select this one and make it dashed line. And there it is. This is our sliding door channel track. Now the only thing we need to create is the bracket. Type REC, enter, left click, right click, dimensions, and give it a width of 1.3 inches by 2.4 inches. As we can see, we don't have enough empty space next to the opening to accommodate the door as it slides open. It will obstruct the movement here, and since we don't have wall here, we cannot provide this channel track. Same thing to the other side. We don't have enough space to provide the channel track, so we cannot provide this sliding door with channel track. Now let's try the sliding door with cut into the wall. On this side, we cannot cut into the wall because the void length inside the wall should be 2 feet 6 inches. And since we don't have enough space on this side, we cannot provide the cut on this side. So we will try it on the other side, this one. First, we will make the wall cut. Draw a line at a distance of 2 inches from the inner side of the wall. Give it a length of 2 feet 6 inches. So type L, enter. Come to this point, do not click, move the cursor up. Give it 2 inches, enter. Now move the cursor inside and give it a distance. Give it a length of 2 feet 6 inches, enter. Now press escape to end command. Now type O, offset. Give the offset distance 1.2 inches, enter. Select this one and do like this, left click. Now press escape, type L, enter, close it. Type TR, enter, trim this one. So there we have a place where the door will be held. Now let's create the door. REC, enter, left click, right click, dimensions, 2 feet 6 inches, enter, 1.2 inches, enter. Now change the layer to door layer, and there it is. This is our sliding door, and this is the void where the door will be held. But as we can see, for this WC, we do not have enough space on both sides, so we cannot provide sliding door. So let's go and try the second solution, which is folding doors. Since the opening is 2 feet 6 inches, so then we know that the bifold door is going to be 2 feet 6 inches in total, or each panel will be 0.6 feet since we want 5 panels. Make sure that the door layer is the active layer. In the statue bar, make sure that the polar tracking is set to 45 degree because bifold doors are drawn open at a 45 degree angle typically. So this is our polar tracking. Click on the small arrow and make sure that you have selected 45 degree. Now turn on polar tracking. Activate polyline PL, enter. Start at this end point, left click. Now move the cursor down and make sure you lock in 45 degree angles. So if you move the cursor like this, it's not 45, but if you came here, you will find this locked in 45 degree angle. Now type 0.6 feet, enter. Now go at 90 degree from the first line and type 1.75 inches, enter. Now go back and type 0.6 feet, enter. Type C to close the line, enter. Now we got the first panel drawn. Now to draw the second panel, the easiest way to do that is just to mirror the first panel. So select it like this, type MI, enter. Take this as a mirror line, left click, move the cursor up and then left click. Now select these two, type MI, enter. And since we need only 5 panels, we will mirror this one alone. Now as you can see, if you want to select this bifold door, you need to select each panel separately, like this. So we want to make it as a one object, so select all of them and come to groups and click on group. Now it becomes a one object. Now we will copy this door and place it for this WC as well. So type CO, enter. Now let's mirror these folding doors to the remaining flats. So by this we have replaced all the bathrooms doors with folding doors, and as you can see also, this door will not bang with WC whenever it will open. Now we can conclude this tutorial video, but before that go to quick access toolbar and click on save. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next lecture inshallah we will start dimensioning the plan, and if you want to see more then check out one of these two videos. Anyway, as always, thanks a lot for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next lecture on CIVIL53 inshallah.